Let's bring in my guest for the hour, trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, thanks for your time this afternoon. We're watching this penalty phase unfold, the grandmother of the victim there. After the defense gave a robust opening, would you consider that to be something to give this jury to keep in the back of their mind as they listen to the victim impact statements?
I think that the fact that he was convicted of 3 counts of murder, I don't think there's going to be any point in any statement that anybody makes against or in defense of him or in favor of him or against him. He's going to go to, he's going to go to jail for the rest of his life without the possibility of parole. And what's stark, in my opinion, Chanley, is that the 3 victims of this monster were innocent. One of them was because of mistaken identity, right? So the jury knows this, obviously, mistaken identity because there was a bounty. I mean, the worst reason to kill a human being is because you're going to get paid $5 grand, right? I mean, that if you talk about just the total devolution of the value of life, that's it, right? And so that was the first murder, and the other ones were for minors, right, who might, quote unquote, rat him out. This guy's a monster. He's going to go to jail for the rest of his life. And so these victim impact statement, I mean, obviously they're jarring. Most people don't really know. Most people have never been inside of a courtroom, especially during a sentencing. What people don't know is that, see that door next to his face got tape on it, right? These are older buildings, right? And they're small buildings and they're small structures. They're very intimate, not in a good way. And so this monster is sitting in a courtroom. The victims are probably only a few feet away from him, crying. It's a whole entire show, and you've been in these courtrooms. They're sad, they're very sad. And so these victim impact statements, I mean, they sway. Obviously, you don't want a situation where there's no victim family members, but it's very sad.
It really is. It's so heavy to be in that courtroom, as you know. And that monster is a great word for him. We were just watching him on the screen there. Doesn't seem affected at all by what he's hearing from the grandmother, the brother of his victims. And we will continue watching these unfold there.